So in my last tool of the trade video, I talk about fonts and how to get them. So in this video, I'm going to talk about how to get free icons or graphics for your design. Hey everyone, how y'all doing today? In my series of videos that I'm going to share my tools of the trade, in this video, like I said, I'm going to be talking about how you can get free images or icons to add to your design. So I'm going to introduce you to two websites where you can get this stuff from. So if you look at the image below me right now, it's using fonts from the font that I introduced in my last video. But those two images on each end comes from a website called Icon Archive. And that's my #1 go-to website for images like these. But there's another website called Icon Finder, and that's my #2 go-to website when I can't find what I need on Icon Archive website. So both of these websites are pretty easy to use. If you know how to use a search bar in Google, then you can use these websites because it has a search bar on the home page of both of the websites. You just type in what you're looking for and it should come back with some type of result of what you're trying to find. Now the difference between these two websites is Icon Finder is more of a premium website. They have free icons, but some of the stuff you have to pay for if you really want them. Now on Icon Archive, there's no pay system. Most of the stuff is free, but there's notes in there to let you know if you need to contact the creator to make some type of arrangement to see if you can use them on a commercial website. But on both of these, you can find a lot of stuff free without spending a dime. So if you're a designer and you're looking for some high quality images or icons for a video game, a website, or whatever you need it for, then check out these websites because these are my go-to website that I use to find images to apply to my designs. Okay, so that's going to be it for this video. This is another tool on my trade that I use to look professional, and I just wanted to share it with you. I want to thank you for taking the time for watching this video, and I look forward for you to see me in the next one. Have a good one.